Blast off to the perfect gift. iPlay, iLearn Rocket Space Toy. Why give just any gift when you can give a ticket to the stars? The iPlay, iLearn Rocket Space Toy will make kids' imaginations soar and turn Christmas morning into an intergalactic adventure. Say hello to the ultimate toy for curious explorers aged 3 to 8. This isn't just a toy, it's a fully immersive space adventure. Kids assemble their own rocket with the included electric drill, boosting their STEM skills while having a blast. Plus, with realistic parts like boosters and lights, the play sessions are nothing short of cosmic magic. Packed with educational fun, this playset introduces budding astronauts to engineering and space exploration. The design isn't just cool, it's also a launching pad for curiosity, problem-solving, and creativity. Who knew learning could be this hands-on and entertaining? With 4.7-star reviews from over 200 happy customers, this toy is already a hit. Designed with safety and durability in mind, it ticks every box for quality. It's the kind of gift you'll want to brag about under the Christmas tree. Why wait? Make this the year you light up your kids' faces with an unforgettable experience. The iPlay, iLearn Rocket Space Toy is more than a gift. It's a journey. Find it now on Amazon and blast off into joy this holiday season. Scan the QR code to order on Amazon.com.